Hey, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and welcome to Tipsy Tuesday. This is where we share tips from the pros. So, have you ever had a painting, beautiful, but has a ton of color blocking, and you want to upgrade it with special drills, but you don't want to break the bank because if you put ABs or fairy dust or metallics or glitter drills all over these beautiful leaves, not only are they going to look out of place with extra bling instead of focusing on this beautiful young woman and the panda, you're also going to break the bank by buying dozens of bags of special drills. So here is my tip for you. Grab your favorite tray. Here we go. Grab the charted drills that came in it and grab the special. You can choose a 1-for-1 ratio where this is a 703 and a 703 mixed together, or you can do a blend. It's up to you and your creativity. What you're going to do is you're going to pour the charted color into your special favorite drill tray. Then you're going to decide, do I want this to be a 50-50 split? Do I want it to be more specials than not? Do I want it to be like maybe one out of every 5 or 6? You're going to pour the amount of drills, the specials that you would like. Now, in the painting I just showed you, I'm doing roughly a 50-50 balance. So I pour drills in here, pour my specials in there, make sure I put the cap on the container, and I swish it around. Now, normally I put my lid on this tray and swish it really good, but I wanted you to be able to see. We're just going to shake it shaky. And I'm going to take a picture of this. I'm going to put it right here for you guys to see, similar to what the ratio looks like. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take your favorite diamond painting pen and you're going to start single or multi-placing where you need to be in the color blocking. What that's going to do is it's going to speckle through. It's going to give a randomized look to it. It's going to elevate your painting. It's going to save the bank. And it's also going to add a little extra bling. That is what I'm doing with this beautiful baby. So I'm going to take a little video close-up of this so you can see what it looks like on here. Elevate your sparkle with this Tipsy Tuesday trick of mixing your specials with your charted drills. Until next time, be blessed. Take care. Bye-bye.